Did you ever hear the tragedy of Dormy the Wise?
No.
I thought not. It's not a story they would have told you at school. It's a 22nd century legend. Dormy was a cat-shaped robot from the 22nd century, so powerful and so wise, she could use gadgets from her fourth-dimensional pocket to influence mitochondrial DNA to create life.
Don't you mean nuclear DNA?
Well, you know that, but you can't manage higher than a 0 on your test. Sorry, back to Dormy the Wise. She had such a knowledge of 22nd century gadgets that she could even keep the robot she cared about from deactivating.
She could actually save robots from deactivation? That's so cool.
The fourth dimensional pocket is a pathway to many gadgets some consider to be unnatural.
What happened to her?
She became so powerful, the only thing she was afraid of was losing her power, which eventually, of course, she did. Unfortunately, she taught her brother everything she knew. Then her brother deactivated her in her sleep. Dormy never saw it coming. It's ironic. She could save others from deactivation, but not herself.
Wow, is it possible to learn this power?
Not from a— Oh, mouse droid! Get it away! Get it away! Lightsaber! Not from your school teacher.